Okay, the boy is too official and he looking Mr. Clean. Whip got bells and whistles, exterior Sonoma green. She with a piece, say he got massive aura. Her last man ain't put in work like me, he's out of order. Why you sleeping if you ain't made no money yet? You gotta get it back, it's one. Why you worry about where the bitches at? They say it take one to know one. I was broke but I said fuck that, told myself that I'll be anything but that.
What is going on, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. Today I have a vlog for you guys. I'm going to Hickory to the Team Tensei, I don't know how to say that. I'm getting to park inside with my friends David and Usef, and I'm taking the F80. I can't wait to show you guys. Look, I got some other things I got to show you. The car is so clean right now. I haven't driven it in a while, so it looks freaking sick. And then at the same time, check out the new lip. So that's not the only mod that I have done to the car now. I did do a couple other things while I was getting the lip painted. Got some more paint work done. Okay, so I'll just say this. What I do love about the things that I got done is my carbon fiber strut brace is now a one-of-one. Check out the Yacht Marina Blue splatter and re-clear on the strut brace. This was an experiment. My friend who owns the paint shop, he wanted to do this and convince me of doing both of these things. I gotta say, I do love the strut brace. It's very unique, but the engine cover, I was like, you know what, go crazy if that's what you want to do. I don't care about this. Mine was pretty much clapped out already and it doesn't even fit because of the charge pipes that I have on the car, but I might buy another engine cover at some point. But the strut brace, I am so freaking happy with how that turned out. I think it looks so sick on the car, and the car altogether just looks really good right now. It's so clean. Also, I do want to point out to you guys that I do have a merch drop for my new merch brand, Southern Form, dropping on October the 1st. So the brand it's definitely a car enthusiast brand. I wanted to do that for you guys. So it is spelled in German, so technically my brand is called Sudform, and it looks pretty sick. At the same time, I didn't want it to be so like car oriented that, you know, it didn't, I don't want it to look exactly the same as like every other car merch YouTuber thing. Like, I want it to look like an actual brand, so it does have that kind of designer flair to it, which I love. And the shirts and stuff are going to be such good quality, shirts and hoodies. I do have more designs to go, but the first drop is consisted of these 4 different designs. So if you guys do want to support me in the channel, please pick up a t-shirt. I'd love to see you guys wearing it. Maybe I'll do some giveaways. I just really want to take the YouTube to the next level since I started back. I feel like it's time to get another car for the channel, so that way I can continue to grow. I feel like you guys have seen this car so much, and I bought the Porsche, but it's not really a good car for YouTube. It's just a daily. I need something else to do on the channel, so I'm looking around and trying to weigh out my options. Please like and subscribe if you like the channel, and I'm not going to keep you too much longer. Let's get right into the video. So I just met up with David in the CSL, and we're going to meet up the rest of the guys at the marathon. And that's a pretty empty yield circle. What's up, man?
Yeah, how's it going?
What's up? I'm Trevor.
Trevor.
Nice to meet you.
Trevor?
Yeah.
Yeah, Mike. Nice to meet you, dude.
I've seen your car a bunch,
I don't know
but
if we've talked to each other.
we haven't.
I know your car for sure.
I know. It's same here, bro. Nice car, dude.
So Usef's car is probably the sickest G80 that you've seen. Look at this car, man. Look at the carbon hood on this. So crazy. And we got Jaded's car. Probably one of the most popular M4s on the internet. Thing is fucking sick. Yeah, these two cars together look insane. Check it out, guys, we made it. So we got all the cars inside at the Tensei Meet. Let Trevor get first look. God damn. Usef, this is crazy. Yeah, it looks sick. This is crazy right here. Look at this, guys.
This is the.
I've never seen one of these.
That's what I was just thinking, man.
This is like, it looks like a GS.
Yeah, it does. Yo, the tri-spokes. That's so hot, boy.
Check out the NSX, guys. I've always loved these cars. That's freaking sweet. That's freaking insane. Yeah, there's some crazy shit here. Look at this Supra. Everything up here is big, big turbo. So, I don't know. I could be crazy, but I feel like everything up here is just... Why do I not have a big single yet is what I'm feeling. Look at the interior on this 5.0 right here. I feel like I've seen this car before. It's your daddy right here. This is crazy right here. Look at the fitment.
That's probably bad.
It has to.
This is your next car right here, man. I know that this guy and Hunter have gotten really close. I'm pissed off that Hunter's not here, honestly.
L Hunter.
L Hunter, dude. Am I the only one that doesn't have my lights on right now? This is one of these cars that if I had a lot of money, I would for sure own one. I just love these cars. And then it matches the Supra. Look how cool this Supra is, man. Look at the aero kit. Like, pretty f***ing sick. Got these mirrors on it, f***ing sick. Big wing. Big diffuser. Very sick car. This is the sickest car here, right here. I think you need more carbon, dude. Sure? Yeah. Need just a little bit more.
I haven't thought about
It's never crossed your mind, has it?
it. Not once or twice.
Yeah, man. Oh, that's cheap carbon, isn't it?
Damn, bro. Fucking exposed. Expose him. No cheating out. That's the only piece of carbon that's not carbon. Carbon fiber. They got some explaining to do.
The whole car is carbon fiber, actually. It's a one-of-one spec G82 carbon fiber. Yeah, that's it.
You're saying that. You're lying.
I am now.
This one.
This one, look, I can't give Usef that much credit, okay? That's my man. I gotta. Oh, look at my turbo.
compensating for something. No, I'm kidding.
It's like he's pulling his, that's his idea of pulling a big out. Do it again. Alright, so I am officially leaving the show. I hope you guys enjoyed that. I'm tired, my feet hurt. I always say this, I'm a little bitch sometimes, but yeah, my feet hurt, I'm ready to go home. I'm gonna take back roads all the way home once again. I might get some POV driving of it. It's a lot of troopers out though. It's the 30th, end of the month, meeting the quota. So I gotta be pretty careful. Oh! Alright guys, I gotta know in the comments, G82 or F80? Sometimes I really want a G82, but I just don't know. I don't know if it's worth not having the F80 for. But I don't think I can have both yet.
Okay, the boy is too official and he looking Mr. Clean. Whip got bells and whistles, exterior Sonoma green. She fucking with a piece that he got massive aura. Her last man ain't put in work like me, he's out of order. Why you sleeping if you ain't made no money yet? You gotta get it back, it's one thing on my mind. Why you worry about where the bitch is at? They say it take one to know one. I was broke but I said fuck that. Told myself that I'll be anything but that. I'll be anything but that. Fuck that. Told myself that I'll be anything but that. I'll be anything but that.